Hey guys, how's it going? Martin here. So like Toby says, another day, another dyno. Well, we're finishing out the week here. It's been a busy week at the shop. We don't always do super high performance engines. This case here, perfect example, it's a 6.0 out of a van for a customer up north. His name is Chris. He'll be happy to get this. He couldn't find any local engine builders to do what he wanted to do, or I guess he couldn't really trust anybody because we didn't do anything too extreme with it. It's actually just a stock rebuild, 20 over. We used the stock cam. We did a performance valve job on the cylinder heads, and we don't have his intake manifold, so we're running this fast LSxR, which we have sitting on the shelf for this particular engine. We like to make sure that the customer gets a proper break-in, and baseline tune is very important in order for the longevity of the engine to be maximized. So we're breaking it on the dyno, and of course we check for water leaks, oil leaks, make sure there's no debris. We do a full oil inspection and bearing inspection. Any engine that we dyno obviously gets horsepower and torque numbers, which is a good indicator of how efficient it is. And of course, if anything's going to happen, it's going to happen right here on the dyno. You know, more often than not, we can put a lot more load on these engines than you will ever on the street. So peace of mind for the customer. Well, all right guys, let's go and see what it does. Alrighty, get this thing going here. Fires right up, purrs like a kitten. Again, stock cam, look at that, 18 inches of vacuum. This thing is just humming right along, happy. Again, so, you know, what I'm about to do, you're probably never going to see on the street. And it's already warmed up, we ran it. Looks like our temperatures are right where we want them to be. And basically, we're going to go wide open throttle and load it down. You're not going to do this on the street, so there we go. We can load it down all the way down to 2,500 RPM, wide open throttle, just maximum load, letting it eat. All right. So we break them in. So, again, bone stock LSxR intake. Here we go. So, here we are, 438 foot-pounds of torque at 4,700 RPM and 422 horsepower. It's pretty much done right there. It just kind of flattens out. As you can see, the torque is just dropping off, and you know, no point in revving it. The cam's done. It's a bone stock cam, came out of his van. So our performance valve job obviously help give it a little bit extra ponies. And of course, when GM rates these engines, they rate them with full trim, meaning they have the airbox, the restrictive exhaust, all the accessories on it. So naturally we'll see some more power. The intake helps too. We probably would have seen more torque if we had the smaller headers on there and the longer runner truck intake manifold, but the customer didn't send any of that down. So again, thanks again. Give us a call. We'll get you dialed in. See you later.